Graduation is near, and the time of your life is just beginning. Your future is unwritten, ready to be written by you. All paths can lead to great things, be it college or straight to work. You determine that path. You should be excited to be on the brink of starting a career, starting your future. For the next 40 or 50 years, work will be an important part of your day, your week, your life, and important for your family and your community. Did you know that your generation has unbelievable opportunities to pick from when it comes to finding the job that fits your interest best? That's right. You are a techno generation raised on gadgets, widgets, apps, and social media, making each one of you already highly skilled and sought after in today's manufacturing job market. Multi-functioning. It's a skill all employers are looking for because the advances in technology have morphed the techniques and the requirements, get even the most challenging tasks done. Now put that in your memory bank as you begin considering your future, and add it to it this thought. While continuing your education is still important in today's job force, solely earning a college degree is no longer seen as the best insurance you can have for obtaining a stable, lifelong manufacturing career with great benefits and competitive wages. As technology changes, and it changes fast, on-the-job training is a positive and viable solution for those who are ready to begin their career without the wait. Determine your path, start your future, and manufacturing, an exciting and rewarding career, is shaking things up.
I've been in the manufacturing environment for about 38 years. Have really had most of my training on the job. I came right out of high school and went into the manufacturing environment.
I've been here for 52 years. Can you imagine that? I've been here longer than most of the building.
So I've been here 40 years, right out of high school. I've been trained on cones, mills, lathe, drill press, everything from scratch. Learned everything right here.
I've been here 27 years. I've been working in manufacturing since I've been out of high school. I started out putting floors in truck beds at another company. I moved into welding, was trained on the job.
I've been in manufacturing about 30 years, at Carter Machine here for 27 years. I started in production reporting and I did shipping for a while. Now I work up in the engineering department.
I've been here 28 years. I started here right after I got out of high school in 1983. I actually started here in our part chrome plating department as a polisher and plater. I didn't know anything about manufacturing when I started here. I actually had a agricultural background, and throughout my career here I progressed up through the ranks, so to speak, and was promoted to a group leader position within our chrome plating department, and then became a group leader on a second shift where I had a small group of manufacturing employees, lathes and welders, and then currently I'm serving as our plant supervisor. I also have the responsibilities of overseeing our safety program, complying with OSHA regulations, and complying with EPA regulations. So there's definitely different things a person can do in a manufacturing environment. It doesn't necessarily have to be working with your hands. There are safety-related things that can be done, and supervision things if a person has a desire to do that.
There's a lot of opportunity for good paying jobs in this area in manufacturing, and I don't see if that trend is going to reverse. I think it's going to keep going up.
Hi, I'm Kim Barker with Light Touch Church Directory. I'm currently the Publishing Production Manager. I oversee the publishing production area as far as the directory. From the moment the materials come into the department to the time that we actually print and ship the book. I started with Light Touch as a stay-at-home mom who decided to go back in the workforce, so I became a seasonal and I worked in the portrait lab as a cutter. So I just continued to work here, and after the season was finished I moved into another production area on second shift, and that just continued to evolve to a first shift position where I was asked to work in the sales support department and worked there for several years. From that department that I became a group lead, and that evolved because of the people that would seek me out for questions and help with their own areas, and eventually then the lead position became available and I applied and got it. It's been an on-the-job learning experience. There's been a lot of growth opportunity to learn. There was never really a point that I decided I wanted to go for something. It just became a natural evolution that I just moved there. It was more so that every day there was something different. Every day it piqued my interest, and it was fresh every day, and that's what I loved about it. As positions became available, then I became interested in moving into those, continuing to evolve and add to my skill set. So I think it's just a great opportunity to be in this particular area. You have small town close by. My family's here. I grew up here, and it's just that meant a lot to me.
This country was built on manufacturing, and throughout the years, manufacturing has seemed to have gotten a bad rap, so to speak. There's absolutely nothing wrong with being in manufacturing. For this country to continue, we need good quality young men and women to get into manufacturing, to carry this country forward.
We're proud to say, made in Crawford.